Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From on the ear device, on know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, on know say I'm back again, Yes, man, because me have two topics to cover. So first, me I go start it off like this. Haiti's new leader vows unity, says he's very honored in first statement since being selected. So, the new leader of Haiti is Gary Conille. Haiti's new prime minister said Wednesday that he was very honored to be chosen for the post. In his first statement since a transitional council selected him to lead the troubled Caribbean country under siege by gangs. My wisdom warriors know, like how they elect this man named Gary Conille. The people them of the country is okay with him because they never say the people them elect him. They never said that. They say it has been done through a transitional council selected him. You understand? So it is a group of people that selected him, but not the people them of Haiti. Boy, I mean, I know my wisdom warriors, but this is what they said. So he's the new leader. See, through me always cover the Haiti thing where I go on. Me say, no, me I go introduce the Haiti prime minister I want to write down. So tell me what you think about him. Tell me if, me don't know if you know if the people them is okay with him being a leader. I do not know. We just have to wait and see how everything play out, all right? So, tell me what you think about him and tell me what you think about all these council that come together and selected him. Tell me if it was the right decision. Let me know if you think it was the right decision or what. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. My wisdom warriors, and remember the young lady that I was talking about. She's 15 years old. Her name was Radian Wilson of Zion Hill District, Ferry Hill, Portland. And I was saying that she's missing. Well, now them say she returned home safe. They never explain and tell we which part she did there, where she go. And this me not understand. When them pick up themselves and go about them business and then come back home. We have all right to know what them did there. We not keep that the part there secret. We need to know if I run then did run away or what. Because this seems like I must run where she did run away. I should go spend some time somewhere and just come back. You understand me? Them something here we have all right. Because remember say everybody oppose her. So a lot of people is very concerned. So even though we're glad she come back, we want to know what happened. You understand? Why she go missing in the first place? We need to know these things. So JCF would like to do a little bit more, better than that. You understand? And give us more information. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, hear this. A Trelawney businessman is making a special request to Prime Minister Andrew Holness as he desperately tries to save his business. My wisdom warrior, you can't believe this? A business appeals for Prime Minister Holness to help save his business. Brother, come tell us something, brother. Are the wrong person you ask to save your business? Are the wrong person? Actually, you're labor right. He not go save it for you. Me have to really laugh at that one. How no fear a man that is going around taking away people land? You think say them want that the land where you depend and you ask Prime Minister Andrew Holness to help you? You come like me telling you so you not learn. Me telling you say you not learning. You not learning, brother. Who you think really want that land? My wisdom warriors. I was listening to this gentleman, my wisdom warriors. I'm going to hear him. And the man was saying, Jesus. The man was saying, two politicians, him say, two politicians come to him, approach him, and ask him about his business they want to buy. And he refused. And after he refused, then he started to experience a lot of problem. A lot of problem. Then write to him and I tell him saying in the too close in the road and one bag of something. And then give this man a letter so the man have to come off of the property within mostly 30 days. Something like that. Rotted all. Me tell us then ready I. The man only did it. The man not even did it 2 years. The man saying want 2 years. The man spending money on his business and they want to take away the land from the man. You can't believe that? Me tell you about this a government here, and a them a government here we want to lead we. A them a government here, we don't trust Jamaican people. Open up on your eye. You don't see what is going on in the country. You don't see. But brother, I am here to tell you that Andrew Wallace not going to help you. And the wrong person you call upon. You better edit call upon Mark Golden. And you will get little help. You don't not think. You don't not think, man. You think Andrew Wallace and his wife will love people and you think say Andrew Wallace you know what, brother? Are the wrong person you call upon. I don't know if I true your labor right or what. But are the wrong person. These people going around and take people on just like that. Just like that. This is what they do for a living. So you're calling on the wrong person. You understand? You have mostly what, 30 days? My wisdom warriors, take in this.
I don't capture this land, Mr. Prime Minister. I have a proper lease for this property. But the person from municipal came out here and said that my shop is too much distraction for the highway and I'm too close to the road, which I'm about 37 feet from the highway.
My wisdom warriors, you hear what the gentleman say? You hear what the gentleman say? The man say he have a lease. You understand?
When I went and spoke to the person at Trillon Municipal, they said to me that Mr. Taylor, this is bigger than us. You understand? 2 persons agree to let the shop stay, but one other person does not agree for the shop to stay in Trillon. There is 3 business places on this complex, and I am the only one who they want to move. So it's really unfair.
My wisdom warriors, the gentleman say he go to the Trillon Municipal. And you hear what they tell him say? He bigger than him. He bigger than him. Because 2 politicians already come. May I tell about these people? And a them people here who no want. This a government of Jamaica. Open up on the eye. Is if on the house on the bill, uno so have to come out of that. Uno stay there, boy. Uno want Andrew Holness to be president and Andrew Holness to be prime minister. Andrew Holness, uno stay there. Uno stay there. Do not make the wrong decision and put back Andrew Holness in power. Do not, Jamaica. Jamaica, listen to me. So where this young man I go through here, just 2 months since this man is there. 2 months. Since this man is there, the man spent over $4.5 million in business. And true because he don't want to sell them. 2 politicians come to him. And true because he don't want to sell them it. So what them a try to do him now? Them a try to get rid of the youth. After the, me tell us that nobody cannot survive underneath Andrew Holness administration. You don't feel a joke thing. This is why I'm showing you this, you know. Because something me are showing you in my wisdom warriors. Listen, man, listen. You see, God work in mysterious ways, you know. God has show with things, you know. Open up we are, you know. And we have to know, say, Andrew Holness administration is not the way. Andrew Holness administration is not the way, my wisdom warrior. Because look what this man here face. And 2 politicians approach you now, brother. Wait, me have to talk to you. 2 politicians approach you. Yeah? And now you get problem. You get problem. And they say it's from it is bigger than them. And you call upon Andrew Holness. Me tell you no sound and I learn. How the wrong somebody you call upon Mark Golden and Andrew Holness them want the land. My box cover, Lord Jesus. You don't learn. No matter how everybody come out and explain. And I saw you head tough out there, man. You head too tough, man. You can't, politician cannot come. If say they want on the land. And now when I get problem if you move. No, them are going to problem and so when I move within 30 days. And una call for Andrew Holness. My box. You know what, brother? Let me tell you. Andrew Holness not going to help you because right now, land is land for Andrew Holness. Land in a theme book. Billions of money. Me tell you know that. So guess what? You have to prepare yourself, you know. You see like how everybody want Andrew Holness to be prime minister. The Labour right them who claims that they want Andrew Holness to remain and one bag of something and a fight and a defend Andrew Holness. I hope you prepare yourself. Because one day I go come where Andrew Holness I go take on half a phone land on the depend, you know. Una go see. Una think a joke thing. Una stay there and learn from these things that is happening. Stay there and learn. So, brother, let me tell you something. It better you go and check Mark Golden. You hear me? Check Mark Golden. Can a PNP politician come to you? And a PNP. You understand? And a PNP, a labor right politician come to you. So you need to ask Mark Golden for help, not Andrew Holness. This is my advice to you, sir. So my wisdom warriors, I see all these things that is happening. You know, so we in a trouble, though. You know, so we Jamaican people in a trouble. Because they can turn up any day a business place. You know, I'm here talking my TV, talk about it, you know. Talk about they want to get rid of the small business, you know. If you listen to Talking Mind, if you listen to Talking Mind TV or you watch him, you must know what I talk about. If you're not a fan of Talking Mind TV, you must know. Me hear Talking Mind TV talk about it. Say small business, the government try to get rid of the small business. And that's true. Because look what happened to this youth and many more people. Look what is happening. And the government, nobody not say nothing. If you need help with your business, ask Marky G. And for now, Andrew Wallace not depend that. Every land Andrew want. So I don't know one but I come out. Not Andrew. Andrew depend a different thing right now. And money Andrew say wealth. You don't care about nothing else. My wisdom warriors, it is just very sad. I really feel sorry for this youth. 4.5 million enough money in investing in business. I know them are telling him saying if you lift up. Them are telling him if you lift up. Or the youth are going to get back him money. The youth actually was begging. Me say me watch a video with the youth are begging and I say, in just want 2 years. In just want 2 years. It's a joke thing. It's a joke thing. Them something I need to stop. Them something here need to be stopped. It is not fair on my brothers and sisters. It is not fair on the Jamaican people, man. On need for go protest, you know. Me tell you every day, I don't think of some joke thing me upon. It is not a joke. This is serious. This is serious. And the earlier we touch the street, it better. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. I want to like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Run over to my TikTok and my IG. Follow me. My link I go there in the comment section. I want to bless up on a nice clean self. One love.